Let me talk a little bit of thermonuclear fusion. The thermonuclear fusion happens in the sun. The enormous gravitational pull squeezes the atom hard enough that it fuse together and release a lot of energy. On Earth, we try to mimic that to produce energy, but we don't have an enormous amount of mass, so we have to use a really strong magnet to squeeze the atom hard enough in order to harvest the fusion energy. So basically, we change the configuration of a ball to a donut. It may look familiar to you because the heart of Tony Stark in Iron Man is actually a fusion reactor. The reason why the fusion is so fascinating is because the resources is coming from the ocean water, and it can last us more than 1 million years, and it will generate enormous amount of energy and also have no pollution. It only emits helium. Into plain word, 1 tablespoon of heavy water will give us 1.31 of our party balloons and 83.3 years of electricity for a US household. It all sounds very great, but why don't we have a fusion reactor working after decades of research? It's because in the fusion device, the heat keep leaking out of the device. That so we don't have a sustained fusion happening inside of the fusion device. Just like a wine barrel has a lot of hole in it, we need to stronger bind and leak detection to have a nice barrel to ferment the grape juice into wine. In the current technological standpoint, we have a high temperature superconductor which require less external condition to reach superconducting and give us a stronger magnetic field that can contain the leak better. In a way, it's like a stronger bind. And we have a very good computer so that we can do simulations and real-time diagnostic. Basically, we can study why there's a leak, how the leak is formed, and we can even detect the leak in real time and prevent the leak. So with the current technology, I believe that the fusion will become commercialized in the near future.